Welcome to our Orthelligent Vision tutorial. My name is Tabea and I am an expert in the field of biomechanics. The video is interactive. You can always click on the menu bar in the top right corner and select a specific chapter. You can jump into this chapter or you can watch the whole video in one go. To use the Orthelligent Vision app, you have to register in our web shop. You can find the link to the web shop below in the description. For the Orthelligent Vision app, you just need a tablet. It doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android. You can download the app in the App Store. Log into the app by using your account data from the web shop. You are now in the Start screen. Here you can add a new patient. Here you can add the data of your patient. The body height is very important for an accurate measurement. Let's start with the gait analysis. Follow me. Sorry? In the optimal case, the area is 5 by 5 meters big, so that there's enough space between patient and filmer. The measurement area should be bright and no other person should be visible in the video except the patient. The patient should be able to do 6 steps in each direction. If there's not enough space available, you can also use a treadmill. The patient can wear his casual clothing. Ideally, it is without pattern. The measurement can be done barefoot, with shoes, or with prosthesis. You can add a new measurement by clicking on the plus symbol. Open the new measurement flow. Click Start Scan to begin the measurement. Turn the camera to the direction of the patient. Try to hold the tablet stable and don't swing it. By clicking on Start in the bottom right corner, you will begin measuring. To stop the measurement, click on the button again. You can check the video again and upload it after the measurement. This can take up to 1 to 4 minutes. The calculations are done right now. I know it because of the orange sign. I can open the measurement because I have to confirm the results. I can watch the video again with the AI model. On the right side, I have all the quick results. The parameter of the gait symmetry compares the step length of the left and the right foot. A value of 100% indicates that your step lengths are equal. The parameter gait speed is the velocity of the patient while he's walking. The parameter cadence describes the number of steps per minute. The parameter double support shows the proportion of the gait cycle where both feet touch the ground. Somebody who's very unstable while walking has a very high value. Somebody who's very confident in walking has a very low value. You can get more detailed information about your measurement in the report. Your measurement is in the area completed. There you can find a little download button. You can either download your report or you can share it. You can open the result out of the files of your tablet. In the top you have some information about your patient, and onwards you have the quick results. Following you have some more parameters which are also described. On the next page we have a special analysis which divides the gait into the gait phases. The human gait is divided into 8 phases: initial contact, loading response, mid-stance, terminal stance, free swing, initial swing, mid-swing, and terminal swing. In the report, you can find the angles of the hip, the knee, and the ankle in each of these phases. There are reference values for each parameter. The normative data indicates a regular gait cycle. Thank you for your interest in our Orthelligent Vision app. With this video, I could give you an insight in the app. Would you like to get to know Orthelligent Vision even better, or would you like to have some detailed training? Feel free to contact us. We are happy to help you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.